Hi, I'm Mike Cavacas. I work on the FINITE scheduling team in Amgen in Rhode Island. We're responsible for scheduling all processes that go on the site. I graduated from Keene State College in 2015 with a degree in chemistry. I mean, growing up, I feel like I always had a few great teachers that, especially in elementary school, that we did really interesting science labs, like small elementary school science labs, but the teachers really I think did a great job, and that definitely inspired me. But I mean, honestly, as a kid, I just wanted to play baseball. So it wasn't really until high school that I got a little more interested, I'd say. So in high school, my senior year, I took AP chemistry and had a great teacher. He had used to be an engineer, so he wasn't just had industry experience, and he talked a lot about being in industry and kind of like what you can do with chemistry or any STEM degree in general. And I really took that to heart. I did research in college under a National Institute of Health grant, and that got me really, it made me learn that I didn't want to do chemistry mainly, but like go get a PhD or anything. So after college, I took a job as an analytical chemist, and then that further solidified my non-interest in being a chemist. So I moved to the biotech space and been there since. I love that we have our hands in everything in scheduling. We really get to be involved in everything on the site, and there's also a lot of room to show initiative in the position. There's certain work that we have to get done, of course, but we're pretty available to get involved in some other things like problem solving or stuff like that, because it will all eventually affect scheduling, so we can always have kind of have an opinion on it. So that's why I really like it. You also get to interact with a lot of people around the site and build relationships with other people. That's a really important aspect of the job, because there's maintenance planners that need to get their maintenance done, to the managers on the floor, and even reaching out to manufacturing associates on the floor about certain things is really important. So I like that part of the job the most, I'd say. Since high school, I think the biggest thing I've learned is to always try to look into new opportunities and not really be close to them, no matter really what they are. That's how I'm here today. I've taken pretty much every opportunity I've been offered, whether it be doing research in college, or in this FINITE position, I took an opportunity to do a temporary work assignment on the team, and that turned into a permanent position. So I really think I've just tried to build a really broad set of skills that I can use in pretty much any position, and just being open to opportunities has definitely helped with that. Being active in sports in school and then college is, you build really good teamwork skills where you're relying on other people to do certain things, and then other people are also relying on you, and you learn to be accountable. And then you also just work to kind of manage different relationships with people, where you have to work with people every day that you might not get perfectly along with, but you still need to find a way to work together and be successful. So I think learning that in sports has really helped me be able to do that in my professional life.